Let's go over some essential hotel vocabulary. This is a key card. This is a room number. This is a door lock. This is a peephole. This is a carry-on bag. This is a backpack. This is a luggage cart. This is a minibar. This is a kitchenette. This is a hairdryer. This is a nightstand. This is a wardrobe. He is a receptionist. He is a porter. He is a bellhop. She is a housekeeper. She is a room service staff. If you know any other useful words, comment them below.